What's up guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be unboxing a Zotac Twin Edge OC GeForce RTX 3060. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so the RTX 3060 has 12 gigabytes of GDDR6. This has an extended warranty. Let's take a peek at the back here. We can see we have two pictures of the graphics card itself. Have all some specifications there. You can pause the video if you want to read that. And there and there. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got. Got a nice black cardboard box in here. Has the Zotac logo and some pretty cool designs. The tab on the bottom here. And then lift this. Have a manual in this pretty cool looking reflective bag. I don't know why, but there you go. And I guess nothing goes in there. Alright, we have our bubble wrap. And here's the card. So there's actually no plastic that comes on the card, which is kind of nice, but also kind of like worries me. Like, what am I missing? Got the Zotac logo there. Says Zotac there. The fan, like, shine on it. It's kind of cool. You can see it's like spiraling almost. With the Zotac gaming logo there. I believe it is addressable, but at least blue RGB. Have the GeForce RTX logo there. 8-pin power. It does have quite a big heatsink actually. I'm not sure what this is made out of, but I think it may be an alloy of some sort. So on the back here we have the slogan, Live to Game, the logo, GeForce RTX logo. Have this kind of cool design here on the back. It's okay. And for the I/O, we have 3 display ports and an HDMI. Alright, so for the overall design of this card, it looks really good at this angle. When it's in your system, it does still look pretty nice. Although, personally, I would like to have it vertical rather than horizontal. But, yeah, pretty nice card overall. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.